Ever wondered why the renowned YouTube personality considers their channel a full-time job? The answer is simple. It's because they make a fair amount of money from their YouTube channel. The New York Times recently profiled the famous YouTuber Olga K, revealing that she has earned $100,000, $130,000 a year from her YouTube channel over the past 3 years. $8,000. Like many Pakistani social media celebrities post their videos online on YouTube. Thanks to YouTube monetization, these creators and TV channels make money when people watch their videos. This makes them a great source of income. In fact, you can also make money online by uploading videos to YouTube and increasing traffic to YouTube channels. And here is a guide for you to get started. How to make money online through YouTube. The simple rule is create a YouTube channel, create a video that attracts attention, and upload it to YouTube. Earn money every time you watch a video, $1 or $2 view. YouTube offers content producers the opportunity to make money and simply targets their audience. Below are some steps you need to follow to start making money from YouTube. Step 1. Create a YouTube channel. Sign into your YouTube account, create a channel. Step 2. Enable monetization for your channel. Sign into your YouTube account. Select your account information in the upper right corner. Then select Creator Studio from the menu on the left. Select channels greater than status and features. Enable monetization. I accept the contract. Step 3. Connect your channel to AdSense. After you enable monetization on your YouTube channel, you need to link your approved AdSense account to your YouTube account. YouTube Analytics is used to track revenue and will only be paid if you meet YouTube's payment criteria. Step 4. Check video standards and ad formats to receive payment. It is important to meet two criteria. Criteria for monetizing videos. Videos need to be user-friendly. Content must be yours for commercial promotion. Copyrighted or copied videos from the internet will not work here. You can document the video and audio content used in the video. The video must comply with the terms of use and community guidelines here. YouTube ad format. When you enable monetized videos, you may see multiple ads next to your videos. Step 5. Monetize your videos with ads. With your AdSense account, you can fully set up monetized videos. You can now enable eligible videos to earn money from relevant ads. You can follow the follow steps to monetize one or more videos. For one video only, follow these steps. For more than one video, follow these instructions to monetize them. Additional tips to earn money from YouTube can be found here. What is CPM? RPM and FPM. If you are serious about earning money from YouTube, then you need to not only know these terms but also understand what they imply. CPM. CPM is cost of 1,000 ad impressions for the advertiser to pay when their ad is showcased. Time, gender, content and factors like these affect CPM. CPM varies from 0.50 cents to over $10 per thousand impressions. It is seasonal, implying CPM moves upward in holidays i.e. Christmas, Eid. The UK's home country has better CPM than other countries. RPM and FPM. RPM is revenue per 1,000 views. YouTube deducts a 45% share of channel-generated advertising revenue from the total RPM. RPM and FPM are similar. FPM equals revenue divided by monetized view x 1,000. YouTube Analytics is the best way to get a good understanding of your bottom line, what you should and shouldn't earn on YouTube. Do it. Create videos that have the potential to improve performance, that is, are likely to be searched more often. Create interesting, engaging, and fully watchable videos. Create compelling videos. In other words, you need to be able to subscribe to your comments and likes. Give your videos a proper name. Add descriptions and tags in a similar way. Index your videos and display them in your search results. Make lots of videos. Don't give up making videos, selling videos on all possible channels. Prohibitions. Very important. Do not copy videos on YouTube. You are caught for piracy and your account may soon be banned. Do not create offensive videos or videos that are not allowed by YouTube TOS. Types of videos you can make. As mentioned above, Your videos have to be interesting and they must grab attention of your viewers. Here are some type of videos that you can experiment with: images with voiceover, interesting facts, commentary on news.